walk has to end somewhere, and it has to be this place only. Wait, let me show you the view. You know, there's something about this place. Whenever there's so much loudness in my head, whenever I'm overthinking or there's something wrong in my life, this place heals it. This place has it to me. And you know, you got someone, everybody has that one person in their life who helps them for something they are not good with, and they have that person with whom they can do anything. But it is this place to me. I'm just sitting here quietly, and there's a thought in my mind that, you know what sucks the most in life? Not realizing your own worth and putting it all in the hands of a narcissist until you realize it was love from your end and they were just filling in the void. And at the end of the day, with that void, that person will get exhausted with you because you are providing the things which they only require for a period of time. And it's gonna hurt you only. It's nothing for the narcissist person because they have a personality trait of being selfish. And true love, in my sense, is selfless. When if I feel love for somebody, it's gonna be selfless. There's no me in it, and I think that's my red flag. Or maybe it's wrong, but it is what it is, and it is what makes me me. Destiny had different plans, and you go what you go. I think the universe gives you sign, but we never take them because we had a hope for one person to change, and that hope will always remain in our heart until unless we just give up on that person. And it takes courage to give up on the person you thought that is your true love. I just found a quote so relatable. You need to hear this. Our souls stop communicating with us when we silence them once too often. This is what I was talking about. You know, I think there's a very good connection with universe every soul has. And it is your responsibility to awaken it, to make it happen, to look for the signs the universe is giving you every day. We are so busy in our lives that we don't even think about our own body. This body is designed to be taken care of. And your mind and your emotional things, your physicality needs other things to be all right, to be in fit, and your mind needs another set of things to be awakened about your own self. And that is spirituality and your mind awakening. Your souls 2 gives you sign. And when we are so attached to person, we lost our connection with the universe. We always think about the other things. We have that one hope. Even though God or universe has shown us the true colors of people, we still sit for that one hope that it will change them or it will make something miracle about it, that we will have something on the other. We will have the same connection again, which is not going to happen because God has shown you that one thing. Till when you gonna read your books backwards? If you will read your books backwards, it's gonna start from the beginning, and you already know the conclusion.
Sapakara, Sarakabar, Sabarakarai, Sarak, whatever.